How does grounding help manage depression and anxiety? Have you ever felt overwhelmed by negative thoughts or anxiety? If so, you are not alone. Many people experience these feelings, and it can be tough to find a way to cope. One effective method is grounding. So, how does grounding help manage depression and anxiety? Grounding techniques shift your focus away from those overwhelming thoughts and worries, bringing your attention back to the present moment. This redirection interrupts the cycles of rumination that are common in depression and the excessive worry typical in anxiety. When you practice grounding, you engage your senses. This could mean noticing the sights, sounds, smells, or physical sensations around you. By focusing on these tangible experiences, you anchor yourself in the here and now. This sensory focus helps calm your nervous system. It activates the parasympathetic system, which counters the body's stress response often triggered during anxiety or depressive episodes. Grounding also promotes emotional regulation. It helps you manage intense feelings without becoming overwhelmed. By encouraging self-soothing through sensory experiences, grounding activates the brain's reward centers, creating a sense of safety and comfort. This can be particularly beneficial for those who experience emotional numbness or agitation that sometimes accompanies depression. Practicing grounding techniques regularly builds coping skills. It gives you a toolbox of strategies to use during moments of distress. Over time, this consistent practice can strengthen brain pathways associated with resilience and adaptive coping. This makes it easier to handle future stressors. Some common grounding methods include focusing on your breathing. Techniques like deep breathing or square breathing can help calm your body. Another method is the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. In this exercise, you identify 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 things you hear, 2 things you smell, and 1 thing you taste. You can also hold or touch a comforting object to engage your sense of touch. Noticing subtle sounds or sensations around you can bring your mind back to the present. In the context of depression, grounding offers a way to break free from the cycle of negative thoughts and feelings. It provides concrete, manageable steps to regain control and calm. Grounding helps counteract feelings of helplessness and disconnection. It reconnects you with your immediate environment and your own body. This supports initial coping efforts before deeper therapeutic work. Overall, grounding techniques serve as practical tools to manage the emotional and physiological symptoms of depression and anxiety. They help foster presence, emotional balance, and a sense of control.